Hey everyone, here's how to transfer money using the HDFC bank. Start by opening the app on your smartphone and logging in with your credentials. On the home screen, tap on Fund Transfer and choose the appropriate option based on what you're sending the money. Whether it's on your own account, another HDFC account, or an account in another bank. Next, select your preferred transfer mode. IMPS is great for instant transfers up to 5 lakh. NEFT processes transfers in batches. RTGS is ideal for high-value transfers above 2 lakh. And UPI allow instant transfers using UPI ID or mobile number. If the recipient is already added as the beneficiary, simply select their name. If not, add them by entering their name, account number, IFSC code, and mobile number. Confirm the details and authenticate using the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Keep in mind that new beneficiaries are typically activated within 30 minutes. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, add any remarks if needed, and proceed to confirm the transaction. That's all it takes. Thank you for watching.